And what's your name?
Angela, can't you read?
What are you supposed to be?
A waitress.
Oh, do turn around so I can see your pretty hair.
Yeah, gee.
Lovely. Okay. Why are you a waitress today?
It's career day at my Brownie camp.
I can't hear you, hon. Speak up.
It's career day at my Brownie camp.
Okay.
Oh,
What do you got there on your plate?
hey, there's TJ. Oh my God, what is she? Oh, did you put Velcro on her hand? No, but I got a plate and I got a Velcro on the top. Cool. It's career day. Yeah, I picked up my kids. Let me see.
She's ready to take your order.
Perkins. Oh, that looks cool. Is everything connected to it, or just the glass?
Okay, Angela, say goodbye.